Hey guys, and welcome to my Renovating My Space After a Breakup Part 1. Okay, so as you guys can tell by the title, I did recently go through a breakup, and it wasn't really the easiest thing. I mean, I had this person living with me for a while, and then one day they just left, and just having everything the way it was with all the furniture, it was just getting really hard for me. So I decided I wanted to just renovate my space, and this obviously is going to be a two-part series because renovating my condo is going to take a while. So today I'm just going to be focusing on the dining table. I'm only going to be focusing on the dining area and the living room. So this is what our dining area used to look like. I know it doesn't look like much of a dining area. Of course, it was a gaming setup, so he took that stuff with him, and I was left with actually all of this furniture that you see in the living room, which I was able to sell and split profits, and that's how I'm financing this video. Our furniture didn't really clash, and it looked a little bit weird, so I am really looking forward to just having the space look how I want it. I did go on Pinterest and I looked at some ideas, and I just want to make it super clear that my place is not going to look anything like these photos because I cannot afford that. I just kind of wanted to use these photos as a theme or inspiration. If you guys are interested in any of the furniture or any of the items that I purchased for this video, I will be sure to put links down below for you guys. Without further ado, I'm going to stop talking because I hate long intros and I really want to redecorate this place. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off with the shelf. I'm just going to be keeping my shoes in it. This is actually a Calyx shelf you can get from the Ikea website. I got mine like half price off of Facebook Marketplace, but these are still really affordable. And I also got these storage bins. So I thought it would be really cool to glue these Ikea 12x12 mirrors and these tiny diamond knobs onto the storage bins just to give it a little more of a luxurious vibe. Now, I did get this idea off of TikTok, so I'm not taking full credit. And I just recommend using a cardboard stencil when gluing the knobs, just so you know where to center it. It's a lot less messy. And this is what it looked like after I let it dry and put the storage bins back in. Oh my gosh, you guys, I think it's so cute. After that, my dad helped me build this Ikea TV stand. I know we're repping Ikea, but I didn't like how it looked against the wall. I just thought it looked too white. So I had the spontaneous decision to paint my wall beige. And it didn't really go exactly as planned. You guys will see what I mean. That was way too complicated. Oh dear, why is it so white? Whatever. Okay. Oh, I'm tired. I did not plan this out well. I probably should have moved the dining table first. Okay, so when I woke up again, I decided to paint this older dining table that I had. I just thought it would save me money, and I also wanted to match my furniture. I just used some Walmart paint, and I also painted my chairs. Hello guys! So I am back again because last night I ended up painting for 10 hours. It was insane. I had to wait for like the paint to dry, reapply more coats. Each chair took like 2 hours, so I didn't want to spend 4 hours painting another 2 chairs. I don't need them. It's just me. So everything is finally done. I'm so happy with it. Let me show you. Now that everything is painted, let's go ahead and set up this furniture in the dining area and see how it looks. I really don't know how I want to set this up, so let's go ahead and do that right now. No, that looks so weird. I just have no idea where I want to put my dining table. That looks pretty cute. I'm pretty happy with it, and it's like pretty cute. I don't even know how I'm gonna open this. I don't know how to open this. Okay. It's good. I think it's fine. God, this place is a mess. It's time to be Bob the Builder now, so I do like to I do like to focus, so I'm not gonna be filming this, but I'll show you guys when it's done in a moment, meaning like 4 hours or 5. But yeah, okay. Everything just turned out so cute. I just like love the furniture and everything. I just think that the place looks really plain and we should decorate it a little bit. So let's go to the dollar store and get some decor. All right, I'll take you guys with me. Yeah, I don't know why it's already getting dark. Like, what the heck? It's 4:06. It's daylight savings. I guess I'm gonna go to Value Village really quick. Hey guys, so I'm back from the dollar store. Let's take these off. Right now, I'm gonna be putting all my new home decor, mostly everything from the dollar store, around and decorating my place. Now, I did get these pillow covers from AliExpress. So I'm just gonna take this brown stuff off of this pillow and put this over it. It's supposed to look like this when it's done. So cute. So let's stuff this guy with his new outfit. I'm super scared of like fire and my place burning down, but this is beautiful. I'm going to put the You episode on here because I think it will be really funny. All right, you guys, everything is finally done. This took so much work and so much effort, but I'm so happy with how everything turned out. It is kind of bittersweet though. Like, I really like the space. It's so pretty, but it also is kind of like kicking in like, hey, this is my space. I am 100% living by myself now. And it's like, in a way, I am a little sad, but I'm also really happy because it's like the start of something new and I just have to get out of my comfort zone. I am going to do another video on renovating the bathroom and the bedroom, so if you are interested in seeing that, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. And if you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up because this was so much work. But with that, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your night or day or whatever time it is over there. And I thank you so much for watching my video. Like, I appreciate you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. All right, see you guys. Bye.